See this? You can literally see the struggle in the twist. See, this Marley hair is starting to play with me because the pieces of the Marley hair was never this skinny when I first started 5 hours ago. The pieces was never this small. So, hi. I am deciding to pull the camera out. I was already going to make a TikTok video, but my phone started saying that I didn't have any storage, so I'm like, but I charged my camera battery though. And to be honest, I need a detailed tutorial to myself because I'm probably going to want to do this hairstyle again. See this? You can literally see the struggle in the twist. You only need 2 pieces of Marley hair to do the size that I'm doing. Only thing I used on my parts was Kinky Curly, not today. See, this Marley hair is starting to play with me because the pieces of the Marley hair was never this skinny when I first started 5 hours ago. The pieces was never this small. In this situation, since the pieces are so freaking small, I'm gonna grab 3 pieces. And honestly, now that I think about it, some of the packs that I bought were it said 1X, and then some of the packs that I bought said 2X. So that's probably the reason why these are so small. So yes, if you're using a 1X pack, you wanna get 3. If you're using a 2X pack, you wanna get 2. You following? All right. So we're going to attach the twist. Once you get the twist attached, you want to twist all the way down to like here where it's like, all right, what you about to do next? Gonna twist it in like that. Oh wait, I don't even know you can see that, but gonna twist it in like that. And you're going to continue to twist. What I'm going to do is put the hair flat. And I'm literally going to start wrapping the lock. Let's go through it again. So, after you twist all the way down, you're going to grab 1 piece of Marley hair and you're going to extend the lock. Sorry, the twist, the lock. I'm gonna take this side of it and I'm about to start wrapping. I could be so creative when I want to be, cause how I even think of this, I don't know. So yeah, showed it to y'all twice. You're a pro. It is 3:30. I thought I said that when I was gonna check back in, it was gonna be 2 o'clock. But honestly, at 2 o'clock, I wasn't nowhere near finished or nowhere near where I want to be. Y'all see where I'm at. I'm like, I got 1 braid left to go. I really didn't want this video to be that long, so I'm shooting for like 15 minutes. If I could get it down to 10, I'm having a party. Every video I make be like 20 minutes. Literally, 20 minutes is the sweet spot. 30 minutes is considered long. That's a longer video for me, but I feel like 20 minutes and y'all just watching me talk, that's a long time. The fumes, Jesus. Literally as good as it's gonna get. I'm really tired. But I wanna cut this because it look like, I look like that. I'm gonna cut in a downward motion. Definitely needs cutting because this looks bad. This look like I'm about to mop you up. Well, I'm about to broom sweep. Now, I could use the razor comb. I don't know how to really use that though, so I'm gonna put that down. Just get to snipping. Ow! Didn't expect my hair to be... I meant my hand. I didn't expect my hand to really get cut. The judgment was off. I literally just woke up, so I'm crusty. But I want to finally go ahead and show y'all the ending result of my twist. Because I know y'all saw the bottom of my hair in the last clip. So this is how my hair turned out. I really I'm in love with these. Like, really I am. Like, seriously. Like, can y'all see? Yeah. Super in love with these locks. They look so good. But this is what it's looking like. It's giving a very natural vibe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. If you want to see more stuff from me, definitely hop in the comments. Let me know.